Force that seems to be battling wildfires at least on two fronts. Indian Air Force helicopters that continue with their relentless firefighting operations and has over 1.3 lakh liters of water in these firefighting operations that continues in the Zuko Valley as operations are underway in Nagaland's tough terrain, as Mi-17 V5 helicopters have now been deployed for these operations that have been taking place. So the Indian Air Force has now been pressed into service, where the helicopters are now battling wildfires at least on two fronts and have now conducted relentless aerial firefighting missions. That are now coming in. So pictures coming in from Wolong in Arunachal Pradesh, a total of over 139,000 liters of water that has been dropped and extinguishing the blaze, and simultaneously pictures that are now coming in from the Zuko Valley in Nagaland as well, where Mi-17 V5 helicopters that have been drawing water from the lake to battle fires that have been now reported amid steep slopes and poor visibility and a rarefield air that we are looking at these firefighting operations that are now being carried out on part of the Indian Air Force that has now been pressed into service. The operations that have been taking place in Nagaland, in other areas as well, where these forest fires have been progressing rapidly. However, the Indian Air Force, using their helicopters, the Mi-17 V5 helicopters that have been now deployed for these operations, and over 1.39 lakh liters of water that has already been dropped. However, in some areas the blaze continued to be reported, and this is from the Zuko Valley, where these pictures of the firefighting operations continue to come in. So the Indian Air Force helicopters continue with their relentless firefighting operations there, and on two fronts at Wolong in Arunachal Pradesh, a total of 1.39 lakh liters of water that has also been dropped, and firefighting operations that also continue in Nagaland.